Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we are going to talk about teaser on the Spine Corrector. So, the struggle is real with teaser and the Spine Corrector, don't you think? Andrea, Maida, Pilates, and I got a request for more Spine Corrector exercises, and we thought we'd start off with the teaser. So you can do the teaser two ways. On here, I'm going to show you both ways, and I'm going to talk about different ways you can actually make this less of a struggle, right? But the good news is teaser on the Spine Corrector is actually going to help those of you who struggle with the teaser in general. It's a really just great teaching tool, very supportive tool, and there's a lot you can do with it. So there's two ways. This to me is the easier way for the leg supports. If you're struggling with holding your legs up, I would do this teaser. If you're struggling, if you want to challenge yourself, you're going to do the other teaser. Okay, I'll show you both. So you want to get yourself, in your Spine Corrector in a position that will hold your pelvis in the shape that it should be in for the teaser. So my legs are touching, but they're also active. I'm using them, right? So I'm using my stomach, I'm using my seat, and then hello, you just find your teaser. Very easy, right? Easier said than done. Then what's hard on this one is when you go back, like there's no floor there. So you're kind of doing a lot of trust, but the legs are supported. So they're just reaching. And then when you come up, they stay and you try to come up and over yourself and touch your toes. And so you can do 3 of those just like you would do teaser 1. Remember, your arms are connected to your back, and that helps you pull yourself up and over, right? So my arms aren't pulling off my back. Then you can practice the lower and lift with the legs because the barrel is there to kind of support that. And then you can do both. Arms and legs reach away. Everything comes up. It's like a millimeter, like little molecule of space, right, between the legs and the Spine Corrector. Ugh. But if holding your legs up is a struggle, come on, do it here. It's so good. Now, this for you might be the harder, right? Like, so if you have a hard time holding your legs up, teaser this way is not going to be your friend. Depending on the day, it's not mine either. But if you want to work on the articulation of your back, it's really helpful. So you find your teaser, and then you could go up and over the barrel. And then you can come up and off the barrel, and then you try to like create space between your back and the barrel, right? So you connect and you articulate, and then you come up. And you don't have to go all the way back like I did. You can go back to wherever it feels good for you, right? But then when you lower and lift your legs, you can't rest on the barrel. You've got support, but you're pulling your center in. And then of course you can do both, right? And you can go all the way over, reach the legs away, and all the way up. Okay, so let's talk about how the heck do you make those easier? Cadillac teaser. I'm going to tell you, if teaser is a struggle for you, got to get on the Cadillac. It's really important. If you don't have a Cadillac, okay, no worries. I would like you to go to a wall. Put your feet on the wall. Work the articulation of your up and down with your feet on the wall, right? You can also practice your teaser with a friend. They can put your feet on their legs, and so you can really reach into them, and then as you come up, they can help guide you up with their hands. That would be really, really helpful. If you've got one of these though, I highly recommend practicing it. I would do the arm series on here to practice the back bend and get yourself really strong. I would do swimming and swan on here just so your whole body connected to you, right? I would do the leg series on here so you can really feel that. Then I would do the teaser on here. And that would be like just really, really ideal. If you can do your short box series on your ladder barrel, that's going to help make this better. Yeah? Do you feel me on that? So if you have questions on how to make this less of a struggle, you can put them in the comments below. As always, you can request that Andrea and I pick any exercise you want for our Struggles Real series. Place them below. Make sure you subscribe to both of our channels so you never miss a video from us. And I want to hear how this goes for you. Okay? So let me know. Put it in the comments below, and I will see you next time.